Hi everybody, Craig Evans here from David Lloyd Swansea. For today's skills and drills, you're going to need a tennis racket, 2 tennis balls, and you're going to need 4 different objects from your house. For today's warm-up, I'm going to be using my socks. So to begin with, you just need one object, and I'm going to place the one sock down in front of me. I've got 4 different colour socks today, but the first exercise is just going to be jumping forwards and back. And so the line's going to be there. We're just going to go with 2 feet. We're going to go over and back, forward and back, forward and back, making sure we don't touch the sock. So we're going to go for 20 seconds. Are we ready? 2 feet together, forward and back. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Bounce off both feet and keep your balance. If you have to stop to get your balance, then do that. If you can just spring off your toes, even better. Keep that going for 10 seconds. Over that sock, over that object. The bigger the object, the harder it's going to be. 3, 2, 1, and stop there. Good job, well done. We're going to try it again. And if you were stopping to then jump, see if you can add the spring in so you go off your toes each time. Ready again, 20 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Try and land nice and light. Your body upright, up on your toes. Very good. 10 seconds. Up and over the target, that's it. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1, and stop there. Well done. So I'm going to add a sock into add an object. Just behind. So now we're just going to do this once. We're going to go 20 seconds. So we go 2 forward, 2 back. Again off both feet. Still trying to land light. Again, if you need to stop in between and more jump, you can. Or you can go quicker on your toes. Back and forth for 20. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm going to hop now. Up on your toes. Very good. That's it. Up and over your objects. Very good. Socks is a great shout. Easy to get over. 5, 4, 3, 2, and a 1. Very good. Well done. Okay. More practice of that. Again, if you are landing, try and add a bit of spring to it. Also, it's good for balance if you just spring and stop there, and then spring and stop on the forward and back. I want you to get 2 more objects. My final 2 socks, my yellow and my green. And I'm going to turn it into a box. Just like that. So I'm going to start inside the box. And again, I want you to have a little practice of this because you're going to try and go over all 4 targets. Just over in front, back to the box. Side, box. Behind, into the box, to the side. I'm there. Have a little practice go with that for me. Then we have a little challenge. So up and over your targets. That's it, up and over every time. Again, if you need to slow it down, land first before you jump. That's cool. Making sure you're jumping off both feet. So our challenge is going to be 30 seconds. We're going to see how many laps we can do. So when we go to the side and back and to the side, that's 1 lap. In 30 seconds, we're going to keep going to see how many we can do. Are we ready? Let's all start in the box. I'm getting warm already. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 30 seconds. How many laps? See if you can beat me. Good. Challenge yourself. Nice and quick. Halfway. Keep it going. Lots of spring. Well done. Oh, I touched it there. Keep going. And stop there. Very good. Reorganize your box if you need to. We're going to do that one more time. These are the scores that count. Now that was your practice go. We're going 30 seconds. Let's see how many laps we can do. Must go forward on the first jump. 30 seconds. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 lap for me. Maybe you're in front of me already. 2 laps. 3 laps. Up to 4. Halfway. Up to 5. 6 for me. Keep going, almost there. 7 for me. 5 seconds left, time for 1 more. 8 for me. And stop it there. I'll give myself 8.5 for that, not quite the 9. Good job. Whoa. Bit of work down the calves to begin with. If you can just put your objects to the side. We're now just going to need one tennis ball to begin with. I want you to grab your ball. I've got an orange ball, bounces medium height, sponge ball, yellow ball, whatever you've got, works perfect. So with the one ball, a little bit of catching and throwing to begin with. You're going to throw with your left hand, and you're going to catch with two hands, making sure the two hands are underneath the ball. So just throw and catch, nice and easy to begin with. Yeah, throw with one hand, catch with two. Everyone have a little practice go of that. Go, throw it first and catch, throw it into the ground, make sure it bounces up, catch it with two hands. Okay, next step, we're going to catch it, we're going to throw it with the left, we're just going to catch it with the one hand. Bit more of a challenge, keep your hand pointing to the sky, gives you more of a chance. Right, so you throw down with one, catch it with the other hand. Throw down with one, catch it with the other hand. Throw with the one, catch it with the other. And throw. Well done, keep it going, that's it, and catch. Use a bit of space that you've got, lots of control, your hand underneath it, simple catch. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to throw down, catch with two, throw down, catch with one, throw down, catch with two, throw down, catch with one. We're going to do it for 10. Let's see how many catches we can make out of 10. Are we ready? So we throw down there, 2 out of 2. Throw down, catch with 2. Throw down, catch with 1. 4, 5, catch with 1. Keep changing every time. 2 hands. Make sure the throw is accurate. 2 to go. And throw. Perfect. Okay, I think you've all probably just tried to throw the ball. I have with my strong hand, the hand I play tennis with. I hit my forehand off. So we're going to go the other way as well. So same thing, we're going to throw down, catch with 2 hands. Throw down and catch with 2 to begin with. Get our confidence up. So we throw and we catch. Throw with 1, catch with 2 hands. Make sure the throw is accurate, so you haven't got to move too far. Just throw and catch with 2 hands. Have a little practice go. That's it. Just throw down, use your 2 hands to catch. Hands underneath the ball each and every time. You may have to bend your knees at times. And then moving on a step again. So all you're going to do now, you're going to throw down and catch with the other hand. So me is throw with the right and I catch with the left. Throw with the right, catch with the left. Some of you might be finding this easy. If you are, fantastic. Some of you might be more of a challenge with a one-handed catch. Okay, so we're going to go 10 again. First time you catch with 2 hands, the second time you catch with 1. 10 in a row. Are we ready? So we throw and we catch. Throw, 1 hand. Throw, 2 hands. Throw, 1 hand. That's 4. Catch with 2 hands. Good. Catch with 1 hand. Back to 2 hands. Very good. 1 hand. Last 2. Catch with 2 hands. And catch with 1 hand. 10 out of 10. Anybody else get 10 out of 10? Give yourself the big fist there. The Andy Murray fist. Good job. 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, I want you to get your racket. And I've got a target now. So a target around the house. I'm going to use my bucket. Could be a bucket like I am if you're lucky to have one. Or a basket or a bowl or a hat maybe. Because we're going to be looking to hit the target. And then we're going to be going into the target. So what we're going to do. You've now got the racket in your playing hand. If we're not sure how we should be holding. If we stand behind the racket and place it down, put your hand on top, we've got our forehand grip. So very simple to begin with. We're going to throw, we need to be accurate with our non-playing hands. We're going to be hitting forehands, and we're going to bounce into the floor, and we're going to try and just hit the ball to the target. And then we go again. Okay, so if you've got more than one ball, this is even better, lots of practice. You're just going to drop the ball, feet pointing to the target, turn to the side, and go at the target. If you want to make it more difficult, you can then put your target further away. Really important now, teaching point, not just for our little target here, but on the tennis court, wherever you want that ball to go, it's really important the strings are pointing to that target. Yeah, that's the only way the ball's going to go there. So just a few more practice goes, where you're just going to drop the ball and try and hit to the target, making sure strings are pointing on target. And one more time from me, pointing at the target. If you want to try and go with a little bit of a drop shot of a shot, I want you to take away, I've got to take away the lid. So if you've got a hat you can play it into, or a bowl you can play it into. So the first one, I'm going to try and hit the target. The second one, I'm going to open the racket face up and open my hand up to land it in my target. So here's my first attempt. I'm going to try and hit my bucket, 1 out of 1. And now I'm going to try and play it, into my bucket. So give that a go for me. So the first one you're trying to hit, really important for direction again. You get those strings pointed at the target. Just bounce, strings at the target. If you've got lots of space, like I said, you can make this target a bit longer. If you've got someone there that can be really helpful and hold your target like this, then again you can play it with a bit more height. Imagine you going up over the net into your target that way. depending on what space you have there. Just have a couple more goes. So again, really make sure you turn side on, the throw has got to be accurate, and you point your strings at the target, and for the drop shot, you just open up the hand and just come under it slightly for a slice forehand there, slice drop shot. Okay, have a couple more practice goes, then we go on with a little skill to finish. Strings at the target, side on, make sure that forehand grip is correct, and we point it at the target. So that's something you can do. Like I said, there's a few different ways you can make it longer, make it more difficult to hit the target, make it more difficult to land it in the target, or if you do have someone, a brother, sister, mum, dad, anyone in the house that can hold the target, you can then change the heights to make it more of a challenge. Just be careful of what's around the house when you're hitting. We don't want any windows, any lamps, any trouble in the house. Okay, so our little challenge for today, we're going to do our 30 seconds where we've done it before, so you're going to get that same grip and you're just going to go one tap and turn. It's a 30-second challenge to see how many we can do. So have a little practice go of that for me. You must switch every time, fast as you can go. Okay, so every time we're going to twist, we're going to go 30 seconds, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of homework to try and practice. So, are we ready? 30 seconds, must change every hit. Going in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and fast. If it drops, you just got to continue from the number you're on. 6, 7, 8. Feeling good here today, keep it up. Stop there. Just looking at the time at the same time. And 79 for me, that's my PB. I was in my 75, I think, with my PB lap before. So 79, I've gone +4. 80 is my next target. So good job there, everybody. If you've got your numbers going the right way, keep practicing there. I do believe the world record is in the 90s, so I've got a bit of work to do, but plenty of time to practice right now. So a little bit of homework, still a bit more racket skill. All I want you to do here is a little routine, and we're going to count laps again, but if you just watch me first, we're going to go 2 taps, the third one's with the frame, and then that's 1 lap. So we're going to go tap, tap, frame, tap, tap, frame, tap, tap, frame. And how many times can you do it round and around before the ball hits the floor, you lose control. So just have 1 practice go there with me. So we 2 taps on the frame, 2 taps. If you want to be clever, you go to the top, but a bit easier on the side. So 2 taps, 1 on the frame. That's 1 lap. 2, 3. See if we can do 5 laps, that'd be incredible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10. So a little bit of practice for you. Not an easy skill to do that, but it gets you really controlling the racket head in a small space. You don't need much room for this one. Well done, everybody, and I'll see you soon for the next session.